Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how to create a table from CSV file. So we need to import CSV file from our local machine to SQL server. So here I have database tutorials. If you see tutorials, right click on it and then go to task, and here you can see data import data, and click next and select the data source from your local machine. It should be flat file source, and click next. And next you need to select the file path and which file you need to import. If you see it is select the CSV file, and then I'm selecting employee.csv file, and here I am giving a comma separated delimiter, and click on next. Here is you can find the table structure, it is loaded, and click on next. If you see here, the destination should be Microsoft OLV provider for SQL server. Yeah, this should be selected, and then click next. We need to use authentication as Windows authentication. Click next, and then here the destination is the same file name, but if you want to change the table name, you can change it. I'm keeping it as it is, and if you want to change any uh, data types or the destination name in the SQL server, you can do it, but I'm keeping as it is and clicking next and next, and I'm finishing it. So now it's checking all the checks, and now the data is imported. So once I close it, I will go to the database and I will refresh it. If you now you can click on the tables and you can see the employee emp. Yeah, that is the file, that is a table, it is created. So we don't need to create any table structure prior. So while importing the data, it will automatically create the table structure. So that's it for this video guys. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.